how to use Sezzle on Amazon. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Binbisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Sezzle on Amazon. Now the first and foremost option is to use the Sezzle app. You can use the Sezzle app to create a purchase request, then copy and paste the card details into the Amazon payment section. Now the other way is what you can do is you can simply open up and head into Amazon, right? So you can head into amazon.com, you can select the product that you would like to purchase, log into your account, and then select the item that you would like to purchase, add to drafts, and go ahead through the payment page. There you wanna click pay with Sezzle. Now if you use the Sezzle app, you can use the Sezzle app and find Amazon, add items to your cart, click pay with Sezzle and enter the order total. If not, you'll need to apply for Sezzle virtual card right on the Sezzle app. And once you have the card, what you can do is here on the Amazon checkout page, if you do it on the Amazon website, you can enter in the card details, your Sezzle virtual card details on the payment page and use it for payment. This is how you can use Sezzle on Amazon. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.